Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member. Her name is Jean and she writes, "Hey Miss Planet, hey Jean, I'm getting married soon and if you don't mind helping me out with my bouquet, I would really appreciate it. My colors are red, black, and white and I would love to have some dangling rhinestone gems in it or around it. I'm new to this whole DIY stuff, so I don't mind the help. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a wonderful day." Well, Jean, we are all have been where you are, start of our DIY experience, and I promise you, we're going to make this as painless as possible. Actually, I think you're going to have an absolute ball creating this beautiful, beautiful bouquet. So, without further ado, let's get started with this week's project, Roses and Crystal Wedding Bouquet. Okay guys, let's get to it. We're using this, what I call a basket bouquet holder because it looks like a basket. I'm going to go ahead and trim down my foam cone to fit snugly in the tip of my bouquet wand. Once I have it all trimmed down, oh, and don't worry, I have the link for the foam cutter in the description right below the video. Once I have it nice and snug in the tip, I'm going to start trimming off the bottom of it. Do a little bit at a time so you can make sure that your fit is nice and tight. You don't want your foam to be loosey-goosey in there. Once you have it nice and tight and it just snaps back into place very easily, you can secure it even more with a little hot glue right on the rim. I'm gonna attach 3 gem garlands. 2 of them are 12 inches long and then 1 of them is 14 inches long. Now, the length of the gem garland is completely up to you. This is just a baseline. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it and you make it your own. You can also add as many or as few gems as you would like. I'm attaching them with these floral pins. Now, a little tip, to make for a more secure hold, you can put a little bit of hot glue at the tips of the floral pin before you attach it to the foam. We're going to continue the cascading effect by adding some roses. One is a full red rose and the other are actually rose buds. Don't worry, the links are in the description right there for you. So I'm keeping my stems anywhere between 9 and 11 inches. Again, this is a guide. You can make your cascade as long or as short as you would like. When you're attaching the wire to the foam for a permanent hold, I would definitely add a dab of hot glue before attaching it to the foam. This just makes sure that you don't have any wayward flowers as you're walking down the aisle. You're going to continue to build upon that cascade until you get to the actual base of your wand, and then you're going to build out around it, making sure that you're alternating between your white, cream, and red roses. And of course, you can add in as many rose buds as you see fit. Be sure to cover the entire base of your bouquet wand. You don't want any of that white styrofoam showing on your beautiful bouquet. Well, Jean, how did we do? I think it's absolutely stunning. I so love how the gems continue the cascade. Remember, guys, you can make your floral part of the cascade as long or as short as you would like. This is a very versatile bouquet. Well, if you like this video, by all means like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comments right below the video. I, Miss Planet, answer all the comments myself. Now, it may take me a little time to get to them, but I promise you, either I or a member of our wonderful DIY community will help you out. We are a team here, and it takes teamwork. It takes a village, literally. Well, in addition to that, if you would like to hang out with us some more, please head over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It is absolutely free. Just head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive your check for your shopping efforts at the end of the month. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. But before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links for all of the supplies for all of our projects is always in the description right below this video. So you just click on the Show More button and you will have everything there that you need to complete this beautiful project right in the comfort of your own home. In addition to that, if you would like to submit a project request, please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast. I only have a few spots left for the 2023 year. Can you believe? We're almost to 2023. But head on over to our website, missplanet.com. You can get there by clicking right in the corner on the little eye. It'll take you straight there. Click on the Project Request tab. Follow the very simple steps. In addition to that, on our website are some wonderful blog posts with lots of cost-saving information, as well as our fantastic resource library. And can I tell you, I'm so excited. We are about to relaunch our Miss Planet website with an updated resource library and updated information. The site, I just can't wait. I'm so excited. It's absolutely wonderful and it is stunning. So can't wait to share that with you guys. It's coming super, super soon. The countdown is beginning. Well, I just want to say thank you so much for joining us. We know you have so many options on YouTube and we do not take you choosing us lightly. So without further ado, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. Happy New Year. God bless.